Bag Buzz. If you guys know, please don't think we're wearing the same outfit for many days. We batch filmed. I promise you. They're probably like, I've seen 5 different videos of the same outfit. You guys, we batch filmed all on the same day. And today we are going to be talking about the Chanel Vanity Case, but it is a bag review. So if you guys are wondering whether to buy this bag or not, we're gonna give you all the pros, all the cons, the functionalities of the bag, so that hopefully this video helps you make that right decision.
Yeah. So Tammy, do you like vanities?
I don't.
Why? Oh my goodness, Tammy, why?
Okay, that's why that's good to have like 2 different perspectives. I was gonna make this video by myself, and it would have only been how much I didn't love it, because I think the improvement, I do love the look of the bag, but I had one. I had the black one.
And what was your issue?
It was when I wear it and trying to get something out at the convenience store after I paid for gas. I was like, hold on.
She went to the convenience store?
Yes. Well, I needed to get gas. And then I was, okay, so I want to show you. It's a hit and miss because I think some vanity cases, I'm just going to close it up to show you. So when you showed up, okay, and pretend it's on me, right? And I'm like, 1 second. And sometimes you're trying to do this with one hand because you have to hold up the bag first, right? It's worn across, and you're like, hold up. Okay, that wasn't the best demo, but mine was sticky. Like it was not. Stuck. Yeah, it was stuck. And I was like, oh my God. And then let me zip it back up.
Look at her.
Where's that Jeopardy sound? Do 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 do. Like that's what I felt like the convenience store guy was looking at me, because it's like I was having issues. Yeah, and I think it's a trendy bag. I don't know if it's classic.
It is trendy. I have to agree with that. However, I do love the vanity bag.
Okay, where are you wearing these bags? Like
I am wearing this to the concert. Hello, it's clear. You can just show it to them. Everything's right there.
When you go through security check, when you go through security, they don't even have to open your bag. Oh, you're right.
Especially this one. You don't have to. And it's small enough that you are only carrying your essentials to the concert. If you're thinking about it, it's practical, it's easy. Grab and go. Bring your things. It looks cute in pictures, you know.
It is. When I saw influencers, when this first released, this was the cutest bag.
This is the cutest bag. And then I was telling Tammy that Vegas, this is the bag you're seeing at the clubs.
Really?
Yeah, because it's small. You know, it's easy, it's convenient. And if they're going to do a bag search, you're just going to open it really quick, show it to them, close it. And the truth is, you'll never have to go back in your bag again when you're at a club. If you're at a concert, there's no reason to go back in. So that's why the zipper is not going to be a big deal to you, because it's a one and done. You're going to open it once, take out your ID, put it back, and that's it. Close it up.
You know what?
What?
For those who rave or go to Coachella. I can see these bags. All 3 of these. Doesn't matter. Okay, maybe this one's a little too big, but look at that iridescent purple, because I think this would match glitter. I used to be a raver. Don't let the employees at Luxe Store know, because they'll look at me different. I'm a professional now.
Yes.
But when I was raving, glitter
everywhere.
Star
rhinestones.
stickers.
I was also a raver.
Yeah. Why are we saying it?
I don't know. Why we should be loud and proud, you know? EDM, EDC.
Yeah, all these colors. Yeah. I can see it. And you wear this to Coachella, it goes with an outfit, okay.
And girls are going to stop you and ask you, where did you get that bag from? Because this is rare. I haven't seen this.
A lot of people love like that see-through PVC look.
Yeah.
And this has the colors, it has the PVC. You put all your pretty stuff in there.
And Coachella is coming up, so why not rent this? Try it out, see if you like it. And if
that is such a good point.
Yeah.
Because I don't know if I would want to buy this bag for like $3,000 or $4,000 until maybe I'll only wear it for that one occasion. So rent it first.
Rent it first, but if you end up falling in love, all those compliments, all those pictures, your IG just went up in views, then buy it.
Yeah, the great thing about renting through Luxe Bag Rental's platform is you can try it out before you buy it, or if you like to switch up your style often,
yeah,
renting is just a minimalistic way.
It's such a good, good choice to just
Yes.
switch up your bag because it then matches where you're going, or maybe it's a different outfit.
Sometimes you
right?
just need that one bag for
Yeah.
that one outfit or that one photo shoot. I know a lot of celebrities rent because they have that one gala they need to go to or the one
Yes.
major event that requires a photo shoot.
And these are your bags.
And if you're a fashionista, renting could be for you. So if you download the Luxe app, I'm going to leave my referral code down below. You'll get $50 off your first purchase when you make your first purchase as a store credit. Or I'll link it. I'll put all the details
She'll
below.
link it, but remember, follow us, luxe.Claudia,
luxejour.tammy.
and tell us, do you love the vanity?
Or are you
not?
like me? Do you think
Are you
it's not
team
practical?
Tammy or are you
It's
team
not-
Claudia?
It's not practical to me. She loves it because
do.
do you think you could wear this more than just those trending events? Though?
I can.
You can.
I definitely
Okay.
can. I actually saw a mom carrying this.
Okay, if it's black, it's a neutral color.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm not sold yet, guys. I'm not sold
Well,
yet, but
Let us know.
let us know.
What do you think?
We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.